Okay, for this assignment, make sure you have a couple of other resources open. The equation sheet we will be using a lot today in terms of calculating tolerances and allowances. And today we'll actually be given the tolerance and the allowance, calculate the limits. Also then open up the guide sheet for the exercise and we'll be using it as we work along here. So let's start in on the worksheet. Basic procedure for today's calculations. We'll have to decide whether we need to use basic hole or basic shaft calculations. Determine a starting point. From there, use the given information to calculate limits. So for example here, let's just kind of take a look at and start with the notion of what's given, maybe get it organized a little bit to work with. So first calculation we're going to do is thinking about the pin in the left bushing. So things that we got to find out are what's the nominal size and what the allowance is between the parts. So in order to do that, I'm going to come up here and kind of just put in some of the values where we can get to them a little easier. For the pin in the left bushing, tightest fit, some interference. Right bushing, tightest fit, and also need the nominal size. So the nominal size for the pin is 1/4. Now the next thing we got to do is kind of figure out where we're going to go with the calculations. So for this one here, a single pin fitting 2 different holes means use basic shaft. So you start with setting the maximum shaft equal to the nominal. And one more thing here is, well, the pin is going to be considered the shaft component for the calculations. And that shaft then is fitting into the left bushing. And we're going to talk about the hole limits there and also for the right bushing eventually. Okay. Now let's do some calculating. So since we're doing basic shaft calculations, first thing we get to number we get to know is that the maximum shaft size is set to 0.250. Now, next to do a calculation here, we can start using the tolerances and allowances in any order. Let's just start with the allowance and go from there. So for this particular calculation, the allowance is, I'm going to use these equations down here. Minimum hole is getting calculated. Maximum shaft. So minimum hole is. Place that in the table. And once we know one dimension, use the tolerances to figure out the other. So the pin is the shaft. Shaft tolerance is 0.004. Minimum shaft is bushing now. It's a hole. Hole tolerance is 0.008. So limits are calculated. Now let's just take a look at those, and down here, what type of fit did that end up being? Well, the 248 is in between these limits, so that means transitional fit. Okay, quick check. Minimum hole minus maximum shaft is the allowance. Largest minus smallest is the shaft tolerance. Largest minus smallest is the hole tolerance.